How's it going? Welcome to JRsCorner. Today, I got my Corona haircut going on, so got my hat on because it's getting kind of long and shaggy. I look like a shaggy dog. Anyways, today we're going to be doing something on my Acura. Just noticed just now that I've actually got a bunch of these pieces that are broken. I need to get a new one. Anyways, I'm actually going to be doing a sticker. This guy. It goes in the letters right here. First step is obviously going to be to make sure it's clean. I actually took the car to the car wash earlier. I get a lot of bugs, as you may have heard me say before. Wanted to make sure it's clean. I got most of the bugs off, but for whatever reason there's still some dirt, so I'm going to use some glass cleaner to clean up this, the rest of this. I actually got bit by a bug, and I'm bleeding. I hate bugs. Alright, so we're just going to clean it with some glass cleaner. We want to make sure we get all of the crap out of the grooves of the letters. Get all this dirt cleaned up. Use a nice soft rag that's not going to scratch your paint. And you just kind of wipe it down, make sure we get it all cleaned up. A little bit of elbow grease. She'll be looking good in no time. Alright, so get the sticker. We're going to just peel these off one at a time. Just very carefully, without trying to get the fingerprints all over them. Slide them into the grooves. The main thing you want to do is when you're putting these in, you just got to be very careful when you initially line it up, so that if it's not perfect, you can pull it back off and adjust it without tearing the vinyl. But all in all, it shouldn't take a whole lot of time, and it should look pretty darn good when it's done. I love the way these. It's just a simple, cheap thing you can do to make it just pop a little bit more, you know. So, yeah, just like that, we're good to go. If you want, you can use this piece of paper and go over it, but it's not going to do much different than what I just did with my thumb a minute ago. You can see on that C that it might need to be trimmed a little bit, but, you know, it's up to you. It's up to you. And there she is. Dunzo. Thanks for joining me.